What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Wallbreaker from Clash of Clans. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. I'm going to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, and we're going to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to add a little bit of a brow along the top. So let's start from the left eye, come in, and then bend that up, and then do the same thing on the right. Now along the outside of the eye, we're going to add a fold, coming down and in with a short curve. Let's move in between the eyes and draw the nose. We'll start with a point, bend this out and then down toward the left and right side. Now we're going to close off the bottom with another curve. Now just up above the nose, we're going to add a fold. We're going to go up and then down. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill in the eyes and the nose. Let's move to the center, step down and draw on the teeth. We'll start with a point. Start with a curve coming down and then up toward the left. Same thing on the right. And do that again. Coming down. I'm just going to pull that up a little bit higher towards the jaw. Let's wrap the cheeks around the eyes. And go up and then out. Go around the eyes and then bend that in. Now let's close off the top with a curve. Go up, go across, and then bend that back down. Now we're going to leave a gap and draw the bottom row of teeth. Again, starting with a point. Go up and then down towards the left, and then the right. And we'll do that again. Going up, and again, bring that down a little bit lower towards the jaw. Let's bend this out and then up underneath the cheekbones. And I'm just going to trace this along the outside, coming down and in toward the chin. And close off the chin with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's go back and fill the inside of the mouth. Now from here we draw the outside of the head. Let's start from the side of the cheek and go up, round up the head, go across, and then bring that down on the right side. Let's add those flaps coming down and out along the side of the head, come down and then bend that out. Now I want to round at the end, come in, just pull that up underneath the cheeks. Let's add another flap in behind the head, starting on the left, and down, and then in. Now we want to draw a large circle in the center of the body for the bomb. Let's start from the side of the jaw. Let's start by curving this out, and then down to right about there, on both sides. Then we're going to layer 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the left, we're going to draw an oval, going around, and then back in. Now I want to continue this curve underneath the finger with a short curve coming down and in. Let's add another finger with an oval going all the way around. Now I'm going to tuck the third finger just along the bottom. And I'll finish off this curve along the bottom coming down, across, and then up. Let's add the end of the bomb over on the right side. Start with 2 straight angle lines going out, close off the end with a curve. Let's add the wick. Curve this out and then down, trace that along the bottom, close off the end. Now I want to add a rope texture along the inside, so just add a series of curves going across. Let's add that flame across the end. Start on the top, going in, curl that back around, go all the way around the outside, and go back up. Now from the fingers, we're going to bend the arms going out towards the elbow. Let's start up here, angles up and out on either side. Now I want to add the end of the bone with two curves, going around and then in. Add another curl coming around, and do the same thing on the right. Just going to angle this back down and then in. From the top of the bone, let's angle the arms going up and in underneath the head. Step in and draw it again. Now underneath the hands, we're going to draw the top of the legs going out towards the side. So let's start on the left, just underneath the fingers. Bending this out, bend this in and then down. And then angle back up and in. Let's add that bump for the bone around the knee, going around and then in. And then in and then down towards the ankle. Round out the ankle, coming down and up, in, out, and up underneath. Now we're going to go back to the inside of the ankle, round out the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the foot, and then round out the bottom of the foot. Now I'm going to separate each of the toes. Let's start with the front toe, starting from here, going all the way around, and just pulling that back in. And then we'll layer two smaller toes along the outside. It's like drawing a half circle. In between these two toes, we're going to curve the foot, going up and in toward the ankle. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Wallbreaker from Clash of Clans. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want to try out some new tutorials, you can check out our other channels in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.